What's good, YouTube? Today we're making hamburger steak with mashed potatoes and gravy. I promise you this is a phenomenal, amazing recipe. You're gonna love it. You gotta try it with the family. Don't even tell them it's vegan. Just go ahead and sneak that in there. Okay, so first we're gonna wash our potatoes. Just like all the time, we're gonna wash them off. Get them all good. Okay guys, we're gonna cut up the potatoes.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Okay, so we got all the potatoes cut up. Here's the star of the show. You guys know I love my Beyond Meat. We got some extra virgin olive oil that we're gonna add to our pan here. There's a regular pan. I got a new one because the other one was kind of beat. So I'm gonna put it on medium heat. And really, you just wanna add some olive oil so it doesn't stick. Even though it's a non-stick pan, I still like to add a little bit of oil. For our hamburger steaks, you just want to grab some of the Beyond Meat. It ain't gotta be no giant pieces, because you're gonna cook these just like regular patties.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Now that we got them all seasoned up, we can go ahead and throw them into our pan. I'm just gonna throw all of them in there. Really, after about 5 minutes of your steaks cooking, you go ahead and flip them. And they on medium heat, so trust me, they're not gonna burn or anything. Came in, you see how greasy it's getting? But see this olive oil and the grease that's collecting at the bottom is gonna be a key part of our vegan gravy that we're making here at the end of our recipe. Okay, as you guys can see, the steaks are basically done. You only have to cook them about 10 minutes. It's nothing serious. Okay guys, now it's time to make our vegan gravy. So like I said, we're gonna use the grease and everything that was left over. Take some Earth Balance vegan butter. And now you're just gonna mix this together. Okay, now that that's been going for about 2 minutes, we're gonna do 2 cups of vegetable broth. You add your first cup, and then you're gonna stir it around. Some gravy master. You see that? I just go in with a spatula really and chop them up. Now that we strained our mashed potatoes, we're gonna come back, add them back to the pot. To the meat, you just do it to taste how much butter you like. This still tastes just like butter, so I'm doing, you can say, what's that, 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna go in and add some salt. But you gotta remember, this is going with your gravy and everything, so you don't wanna put too much salt in it. I'll go ahead and add some more garlic and onion powder also, just to taste. Nothing crazy. Okay, and we got our special ingredient that's gonna give our mashed potatoes that cheesy taste. You wanna get you some nutritional yeast. Bob's Red Mill, he seems to be, I don't know, he's everywhere. Yeah. But you can add as much as you like. I promise you, just give the mashed potatoes or whatever you add the nutritional yeast to, a cheesy taste is great. This stuff, Jesus. I'm gonna get a taste test in. Amazing.